Crypto billionaire 69 back with another in-depth daily technical analysis video on DOGELON MARS. My friends, hit that subscribe button if you like daily in-depth technical analysis. Before we get started on the in-depth technical analysis to DOGELON MARS, let's look at the overall market and what she's doing at this moment. We have seen a beautiful retracement down to the 53 levels, exactly like we said. And we are seeing a little reversal here. However, we need to watch and see what this does. We need to watch this candlestick. We need to watch and see if it closes with volume. Right now, the volume is somewhat normal in the day charts. Nothing too crazy. We really need to close. In order for this to look bullish, we need to close above this 59 level within the next 2 days. All right? Either today or tomorrow, we need to close above this 59 level. And if we don't, then we shall be consolidating and heading down to around, let's do some levels here, right around this area. Let me draw a horizontal line for you, friends. So this is where we are. Bada bing, bada boom. This is where we will be headed if we don't show volume like that. Yeah, so that's what we need to see is strong buying pressure in this area. Now it seems to be showing higher lows, about to break out to the upside. It's looking like that. This is pretty bullish right here, first of all, on the 4-hourly charts, because broke this resistance with higher lows. Now it's just waiting for a big whale to come in, push it higher. Now, will we see that? Only time shall tell. But if we do, then that's a confirmation to add major bags. Now, I have been adding major bags at this level just because that's how I roll. But always make sure you use the 1/4 rule, which is if you have $1,000, invest $250 at a time on each confirmation. All right, my friends. This is not financial advice. It's simple opinions from a crypto billionaire. But that's what we need to look out for. If we don't see that volume pushing to the upside, then we could come down and test this again before moving higher, or we could come down, break this 53 level, moving down to the 48s, creating extreme fear in the market, which will essentially drive the price higher in the future. So, my friends, let's get straight into DOGELON MARS because that's what we came for. But the overall market sentiment is extremely important for what happens to this beautiful one and only coin. I don't know why it's not on my watch list, but it is now. Ah, look at it. How beautiful. So, this is the first spike we've had, all right? This is the first of many to come in this next bull run of the overall market. Now, we have seen a retracement down to this. Let's drop time frames. This is in-depth live technical analysis. I have not looked at these charts before today. So, we have dropped down to the 1184 level around that area and found some support, which is dope. All right, we drew this rectangle. And yeah, I got some comments on what I said earlier, how it's faking out the fake out, but it literally did that exact thing, right? It went up, faked out, then it faked out the fake out, and now it's yeah. So what we need to see here is today, in order for this to be confirmation to average in more, today we need to close above this 1435 level and base on top, creating new support, all right? Here was a fake out, and this is even potentially new resistance. But if we show big volume and then a base on top, then that is a natural move that we will be continuing to the upside. However, if we see big red candle coming down and finding support here, then we need to keep our eyes out on the next candle on the 4-hourly time frames to see if it breaks this 1217 level, then we have a good chance of going down to the 10s, all right? which is completely fine in my opinion. If Bitcoin retraces to 48K, $48,000, that will create extreme fear in the market, and that is when you should be extremely greedy. You should be buying, and this is not financial advice, simple opinions from a crypto billionaire. But that's what I do. Whenever we see extreme fear, I'm buying major bags because everything's on a discount, all right? If you hold long term, it's hard to lose money. All right, let's look at this. So that's what we need to look for to the upside. We need to see a green candle closing above this 1431 level. Super easy. And then basing on top. Now, after that green candle on the 4 hourlies, we want to see it breaking this 1560 level, all right? Now, it could show some selling pressure there, which is completely fine. As long as we break that within the next 2 days, then this is a bullish continuation pattern. Now, if we break this lower base support line, then we need to watch this 1210 level, and we need to watch this 1170 level, all right? If we break those, then we're heading down to the 10s, which is completely fine with me. Bigger discount. But my friends, we shall see. We shall see. The market sentiment is remaining extremely fear. I'll show you guys. It's not as oh wow, yeah, look at that. Look how beautiful that is. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Look at this crypto fear and greed index, 21. This is when you should be extremely greedy in the markets because everything's on a discount. Whenever the crypto fear and greed index drops, that historically shows that that is nearing a low of the market, meaning it's a good time to buy because you're buying at a low. And then as it goes up and gets into the greed area, you will start scaling out with technical analysis. Now, if you don't know the technical analysis to scale out, then email me at mycryptomoves@gmail.com. I have a pre-sale going on right now, and there's limited spots to my course that teaches you in-depth technical analysis so you can trade independently. You don't need to watch these videos anymore. You can just do it yourself if you want to do that. You could day trade crypto and make bank, make bread. So that's what we have for DOGELON MARS, my friends. Hit that subscribe button. Crypto Billionaire 69. In-depth daily technical analysis videos. If you like what you see, then I'll see you in the next one, my friends.